First deer to try a Pop-Tart. Just eat it. Hey.
Damn, he probably stole some chips from the wrong people. That's what he get. The Seagull Mafia got him walking on Cheetos. That's wild. Bro glazed and begging me to adopt him. Like, have some self-respect. You know, sometimes in life we like to get too ahead of ourselves. It's always a good idea to take a step back, you know. It's not about how you start, it's about how you finish. And it's just a minor setback for major comeback. I ain't gonna lie, man, that chicken smelled fire. You know, I gotta give me a piece of that. Shorty, you did your thing with your ratatouille ass.